All right, here's a quick video over some of the most missed problems on your quizzes assignment today. If you have any other questions or assignment problems that you need to see me work out, please just email me a picture of those and I'll make a quick video, and that will be helpful for probably everyone. So here we have the square root of 60. Again, square root means what times itself. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to break down 60 by the smallest prime number, which gives us 30, divided by 2 again, which is 15. Here's where you could go one way or another. I always go to the smallest prime number, but maybe you went directly to 5. It doesn't matter. But you know when you're done with your prime factorization when you end up with a prime number. Because this is a square root, we're looking for what number times itself. So there's a number times itself. And basically 2 times 2 is 4. And we know that the square root of 4 is just simply 2. So 2 is the whole number that comes out of the radical sign. And then the two values I have left over, which don't have partners, we multiply them back together. 3 times 5 is 15. And they simply go back underneath the radical sign. That's all I can do with that problem. When you have a number outside of the radical, we are going to ignore that number until the very end, where then we're going to multiply our answer by it. So ignore the negative 6 for right now. Let's focus on 90. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number, again, I would choose 3, but you might choose 5. That's okay. 3 goes in 15 times. 3 goes in 5 times. You're going to get the same answer regardless. Again, we're dealing with a square root. So what times itself? There's the 3 times 3, which is the square root of 9, which we know that to be a 3. So a 3 is going to come out. And then what goes back underneath the radical are the two numbers that don't have a partner. 2 times 5 is 10. And that's the square root of 90. Now we do have this negative 6 out in front that needs to be multiplied by the 3 that we just had. So final answer, negative 18 square roots of 10. Last one, similar problem. Focus on the 80. Ignore that 5 for right now. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 until you can't anymore. We're looking for the square root. So there's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. This is a positive 2. This is also a positive 2. So multiply those together. 2 times 2 is 4. And then what we have left over is a 5, square root of 5. And then again, we're going to bring back that 5 and multiply it to the 4 that we just pulled out. Final answer, 20 square root of 5. So I hope this was helpful. Hopefully you learned something. If you need additional videos, just send me a quick email. I'll try to get something as soon as possible.